Mayong Udto, Your Honor. Ako si Rocky Lopez, taga Cebu, Ermita. Akong anak nga nabiktima nga si Rabi Lopez. Anang hitabo Your Honor? Mga anang oras wadi bi kay bawa na Your Honor. More among na matan nga alas 3 siguro to nga nang oras More among nabataan nga nagbuto-buto diya sa kwarto niya. Ya kay kanaya portahan Your Honor, tupad na sad sa among portahan. Pagkadungog na mong buto-buto Your Honor, ni gawas mi ni abli ko ug akong anak sa portahan. Paggawas na pag-abli na ko sa portahan, imbis mo gawas ko, kay tan-awon tan ako kung anak nga nakadungog ni buto-buto. Pag-abli na mo sa portahan, gitiuna namday mi atong mga army ba karang nagkuan na, ay, giingnan man mi nga, walang lapas. Di pag-ingo nga walang labas, isira na ko balik sa portahan. Kaya ako, pangrakrakan niya, puto nga, kita buhat to buto-buto, wa dyan may kahibaw ato nga, katudeng butuha nga, patay na dito akong anak. Kunya, di namin nakahibaw nga, patay na dito akong anak, mga alas 5
bago po
na.
niyo tuloy, Mr. Barrientos, go ahead and interpret it for us.
Raquel Lopez, I'm the mother of Rabi Lopez, who was killed in a one-time big-time operation on October 4, 2018 by the police. Did not know that the police were already inside the house. I was in my room when I heard gunshots. I went out of my room and I cannot go out of my room since the police were already outside and with their arms and told me, walang lalabas. Wag kayong lumabas. The room of my son was just in front of my room and I was not anymore able to go out because of their instruction.
Oto, pag-ingon na itong walang labas, sira na magbalik among portahan. Pero pag sira ng portahan, sa kan magbalik. Mo na to, wami tingog-tingog, wami liw-lihok. Wami kay bawa ng katumbutuhan ay patay na dito akong anak. Nga di alam na kay bawa nga, hayag na, mga alas 5 na to sa buntag. Yung sa gutura sa nahitabok, mga alas 3 na siguro to. Yan na kay bawa na may mga buntag na alas 5. Kaya akong anak na nawag man, dito man sa gawas niya. Ngayon niya akong akong kamagwangan ng anak, manang, asa
Okay,
dito.
the interpreter, go ahead.
The incident happened at about 3 a.m., but I already learned of the succeeding events at about 5 p.m., about 5 a.m. since I was not allowed to go out of the room. I was only informed by my daughter of what had happened outside.
Moto nga, pag-ingon nga, naarami din sa taas siya, patay man si Manoy. Moto, pagkibahan na mo kung patay, bahala na lang sa kagalingon, o unsay mahitabo na mo, basta pagkibahan na mo patay na to siya, si Rabi, ginaog yun sila mo tanan, giambak na yun ako, sa mua sa ganan. Moto, pagkibahan ako pa na, isudan niya sa kwarto niya, ya ako, murag nagminatay na ko, pati na ako hilag. Pero, naman
Go ahead,
ko nga ko.
Interpreter.
So-
You can stop the witness if you need to interpret, okay?
So my daughter already exclaimed outside that Manoy, my older brother, is dead. So I and my other family members jump out of the room to get to the other side of the house.
Yung moto Your Honor, kuan ako dihan ako ato nagminatay ng kugilak niya akong bana bisodya sa ato sa akong anak. Ginterview sa suko, murag ipapirma na to pero akong anak to ala sa morgue. Oh nya, moto ni ato mi dito sa morgue, turag kita akong anak. Nya,
So when I get to the other side of the house, I found my husband, and he was being interviewed by the police, and he was made to sign a document they told me that my son was already in the morgue. So I went immediately to the morgue. Ito nakag-morgue.
Oh. Nya, karon dito mi sa morgue, Your Honor. Dito na tao na mo, nakita dito akong anak. Yung sa kang Angelito. Daghan to sila na, Your Honor, sa suod sa van. Puro to sa one time, big time.
So I went to the morgue and I saw my son in the emergency inside the van, and there were other bodies inside the van.
Mo to, Your Honor, ka. Pagkuha na ito, wala naman mo kuha na ito itong ngayon may pang police blotter, wala naman magpakaban na itong mga police ato sa 5, ingo nga, dili ko na ilang unit. Nana, wala na to, Your Honor.
So we went to ask for blotter from the police station, but the police did not care for it, and they denied that it was their unit that was involved.
Wala na to, Your Honor. Na,
That was all.
itong pagkahitabo sa akong anak, murag yung taon to baboy, nga ila taon to giit sa taon, giputo sa taon to sa ilang kuan. Giputo sa taon to sa hapit sa higdaanan. Mura taon tong baboy nga, giit sa lang sa karsada taon ng akong anak.
So my
Napigas
son,
na pag-apuso.
my son was wrapped in blanket
Oh,
and was thrown out of the house in the street. He was treated like a pig.
O ni Your Honor.
All right, is there any question among our colleagues? Please.
I have here
Giputo sa
pictures
lisod
of
sa
my
iyang
son.
hapit sa iyang bedsheet.
Yan ang tama?
3 po.
3.
Wawa ng mga anak ko, Your Honor. Mabait yung anak ko. Pag lagi
Ano
ka
po yan?
dito, 2 anak ato, Your Honor.
Is that a mistaken identity?
Nasaipan ra ba siya pagka ila?
Your Honor, kani yung anak na ko, what yun yung ilhin ni sa barangay nga abusado siya. Wala ni siya record.
Son has no criminal records in the barangay. He has known to have no record whatsoever.
Naibung lang kung anong nahitabo ni siya ngayon ani.
I'm just surprised that this happened to him.
It means that he is not involved in any drug trade.
Wala, Your Honor, hindi. Isang sa barangay, wala yun siya record sa druga. Wala yun siya mga record pag-abuso. Wala. Mabait. Itong alak, Your Honor.
So he has no record of anything. He's not involved in drugs. It was painful to me.
Ya, ato panggihaya pa, Your Honor. Kiyagi pa na si Garma dito sa mga tungod. Nasuko pa taon siya, Your Honor. Gano'n kung gibilaran pa ni Namo. Suko pa
Ah,
si Garma.
During the wake, Superintendent Garma passed by the wake and he was angry at us why we are grieving over my son.
Who is Superintendent Garma?
Kuan ka ng kuan ni Duterte, babae. Iso kayo, Your Honor, pag-iagi siya sa mga bilang pa ni Ani. Ang mga tao at mga bisita na
Siya ang superintendent ng city o
Cebu City Police
Cebu City.
Office at that time.
can I hear a motion please to invite him in this hearing?
Mr. Chair, I move that we invite, what's the first name of Garma? Attorney Conti, do you know?
Yes, Your Honor. The Cebu City Police Chief was Senior Superintendent Royina Garma.
Rodina,
Royina Garma.
babae, lalaki?
Babae po. And her last known position before she retired was as chairperson of the PCSO.
Chairperson of?
PCSO, Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office.
Really?
This was, I think, 2019, Your Honor.
So she's retired now.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Royina Garma.
Can I hear a motion, please?
I move, Mr. Chair, that we invite retired police
Senior
Senior
Superintendent
Superintendent Rohina
Royina,
Rohina-
R-O-Y.
Rohina Garma. Mr. Chair, I so move.
Thank
Can I
you.
hear a second? Moving seconded, we invite so Senior Superintendent Rohina Garma to this hearing. Any objection? No objection. Same is approved. Attorney, can you continue on, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Just as context, in this one-time big-time operation, there were recorded about 16 fatalities of killings in Metro Cebu.
60 fatalities
16,
in Cebu alone.
Your Honor.
In
In
Cebu
that
alone.
night alone, within 24 hours in Talisay and Cebu. And there is a statement that we found from the Chief Superintendent, the PRO, the Region 7 Director then, Police Regional Office Director then, Chief Superintendent Debode Sinas said that the one-time big-time operations were legitimate. And now we move, Your Honor, to Luzon.
Before
Yes, sir.
Attorney Conti moves, Mr. Chair, the 16 persons who were killed on that day were in both Cebu City and Talisay City. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor, in Metro Cebu,
Metro Cebu. Okay.
Yes.
So including the cities of Mandaue,
Lapu-Lapu
Lapu-Lapu,
City.
all the 16 were in the different cities.
Yes, Your Honor, reported killings.
Reported killings. And at that time, it was former PNP Chief Debode Sinas was the regional director of
Of Region 7.
Region
yeah,
7.
yeah.